guys, or good evening. It's 5:35 p.m. Today is Tuesday, August 9th. Let's start with the pre-market notes. So today's idea was, today's notes were very simple. I was running late, so I put all the notes in the Discord, and I covered most of the scenarios during Discord pre-market voice, But this was the simple note today, below preferred sellers area, favor shorts. Between backup and preferred area, it is a gray area. Above backup sellers above backup sellers area, focus on longs. It is that simple. So the idea is below preferred sellers area, focus on shorts. It was that simple. And these were the levels for sellers to keep it below, and these were the levels for keep it below. It is that simple, point to point today. Target for sellers in NQ could be 985, 877 area. Target for buyers, if break above if NQ break above 3225 and holding, then 3450, 550, right? So I'm giving you both side targets, right, based on the price action. But if it goes lower, right, this could be the target, correct? And this area became today's low once again, right? So not once again, but day before yesterday also I had a seller's target, right? And then price touched there and never went below. Today same thing, it touched this area, did not go below a lot, right? Dream numbers are super important today, 193, 225, right? So keep this in mind, right? This was the targeted sellers area. See that price came there, same as yesterday or day before, right? And then it did not go below. Basically it held it entire day. See that? So that's how the powerful levels are, right? And then preferred sellers area. So this was aggressive sellers area, this was a preferred sellers area, right? So as long as price is below, focus on shorts, right? So these were the notes given to the members in the 6 o'clock, 6:30, in the morning, and you can see it, right? So what we discussed in Discord, based on that, while I was talking, this was a short, then price went down, pulled back up, this was another short, and then target was this area, right? I cut it in between here, and then by the time price went here, I had only 10% position open, 20% open. Then by doing this job, I cut it 10%, and then rest I moved the stop loss, somewhere around here, and then at 10:42, I put it a message in Discord stating no more trading, stop trading. I said day is screwed up. That was my statement, and you can see it. After that point, day is screwed up. Price basically it never did not go anywhere. It just ping pong, and I usually don't like to trade in a ping pong, but you need to know that thing in advance, that ping pong may come, so you stay aside. You do not want to bother trading in this garbage. Same thing with ES. After 10:42, right? See, I said garbage, right? So no point trading it. So, and you can see there is no result achieved, right? But this was the short in the morning. See, this was a preferred sellers area in ES, right? This was a backup sellers area, right? And this is yesterday's row below, more sellers, right? So preferred sellers area below or at short. So first thing in the open, right at here, I took the short. Same time I took the short in NQ also, below this blue line, and then I just held it. NQ was moving in my favor nicely, but ES was hesitating, back and forth. So in Discord, while I was on, while I was talking, I said, I'm going to hold this ES, even though it does not want to go down. I will hold it. I will respect the level. If you guys get stopped out, it's fine. So, and I basically, when price went higher like this, ES again went higher 4 times. It touched my entry, this entry. But then I held it, without being scared, because this was the key level, and I talked about highly about 3740 area, that was our hunting level too, so I held it, throughout this against, this chop, and then finally it made a move. I was happy that now it's going to tank, right? But then I took the profit. While I took the profit in NQ, I usually take the profit in ES, and this was another important level, 4120. My Discord member knows about it, so I took the profit here too, and then rest I got stopped out here, somewhere. But majority profit was taken here and here, and then I was done trading. I did not bother to even look at this later on or talk about it. But yes, in Discord in between, I typed the messages, but line in sand, At this point I gave a line in sand 26 and 32 or 30, and pretty much ES held below this line in sand entire day. So that was the day for ES and NQ. Only the valid trades were in the morning. I do not want to discuss this trade. Yes, you can make a case of this 24-hour short, this long, all this based on the levels. You can make this case. All these levels worked out, right? But really there is no point trading this garbage price action. Okay. Now today Mboxwave, I'm not going to do it because I only looked at it in the open in few minutes in the pre-market. After that I did not get a chance to look at it, and I'm running out of time again today. I had to go out, so Mboxwave I'm not gonna do it today, but I will do it tomorrow. But what I observe in Mboxwave in pre-market around between 9 to 9:15, there was a divergence going on. So when price was going down, there was a bullish divergence, so Mboxwave was not supporting the down move, but you have to ignore it. If I was watching it, I would have ignored it, and I would have waited for slight weakness in that divergence to go short. But anyway, today's idea was to short. So even though if Mbox was pointing up, I would not go long here. Maybe here, if it is what was pointing up, I would have gone long. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.